So here's what I suggest you do. Whenever you're trying out kind of a new phrasing pattern, something to kind of work into your playing, just sit with that phrasing with a metronome and just continually repeat it until you can really internalize the rhythm there of that phrasing pattern. And when you have that, then start plugging in some notes. Okay, so my metronome is clicking at 80 BPM and I'm just going to play one note. I'm just playing the root here. I'm at E flat note at the 13th fret on the D string, but you can play whatever note you like there. All the 16th notes of beat 1, beat 2 coming in on the second 16th note and cutting that off. Alright, so once you got that phrasing pattern established, well, what do you do with it? Well, the easiest thing to do is just plug in some notes from the scale you're working on. Let's take E flat minor pentatonic and just run down the scale. Pick a starting point. I'm going to choose, say, my flat 7, my D flat note up here. I'm just kind of playing out of that blues box at the 11th fret, E flat blues box there. And I'm just going to run down the scale from my D flat with that phrasing. Okay, so I'll demonstrate that a little bit, just this phrasing pattern over the backing track. So if you dig this lesson, guys, but you really want to go further in depth into learning how to phrase with really funky feel, check out 2 of my courses. Both have links in the description below. One is the Ultimate Funk Picking Bootcamp, and the other one is one of my True Fire courses, Filthy Funk Phrasing for Lead Guitar. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson, guys. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.